Nice. We're here, believe it or not, at the sunny seaside here in Filey, and it hasn't been quite so sunny today, and that's just like when you're building your network marketing business on social media. It can be extremely fast moving and changeable. In fact, there's two types of changes that you really must look for as a network marketer, because if you're not A, looking for them, and B, knowing how to react and incorporate that into your business, you're going to get absolutely left behind. So let's discuss that right now. So number one, you want to look out for technical advancements. You know, there are certain things like, for example, there never used to be Facebook groups, there never used to be Facebook Lives, there didn't used to be live video on any platform. You know, multiple carousel images on multiple platforms. There's new platforms themselves taking off. So you need to look around and be aware of these changes, because if there's features out there that are working really well and can, for the same amount of effort, let's say for example, one Facebook Live video may get you 20 more leads than posting one image, you could get much more bang for your buck and much more return on your effort. And then number two, you want to look at the usage of the platform itself. So if we think about when social media first occurred, it first came about, it was more acceptable to kind of, you know, people would spam links, they would post about their business, they would do things that nowadays we just really wouldn't do and know would completely turn our audiences off. But because it was new and it was unseen, that in itself would generate enough interest to make that tactic worthwhile and useful. Today there are many tactics that have got left behind, and if you're continuing to use them, then you're going to be looked upon as someone that doesn't really know what they're doing. You're going to get lost in the crowd of people who are doing it the wrong way, and you really must update your approach. Now here's a really quick way in which you can kind of learn and see how to really incorporate all of this into your game, and that is to follow a couple of different marketers who are in the business that you are in, building the way you would like to build. And don't just look at what they say, look at what they do. There's plenty of people out there selling courses on one topic when they've never done it before, but if you look at what they're actually doing on social media, how often are they using video? What are they actually saying in their videos? Do they use Facebook Lives? How frequently? What's the length of them, and what is the content? How are they posting on social media? What's the mix between business and personal? Are they even doing business at all on their profiles? How about Facebook stories or Instagram stories? If you can actually follow and kind of model, like kind of case study wise, one or two marketers, you're going to see a whole lot of these answers being done for you, because they've done the research, they know what's happening, and they're keeping in that pocket of what is really, really useful. Just imagine for a second you were going to be you know, delivering like a presentation in a class on a particular marketer, and the question was, how does XYZ marketer build their business via social media? And if you do that study and you find those answers, you'll find it a very useful exercise and revealing for what could work for you, seeing you're the same type of business, serving the same type of audience, looking to build the same type of results. I hope that's helped you in some way today. Anything else I can do for you, just let me know. And as always, go create a day in a life that counts. Always have more desires than excuses. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.